Apple is expected to push photography further with the iPhone 18 Pro. Leaks point to an upgraded 48-megapixel main camera with better low-light performance and cleaner detail, while keeping the triple lens layout. New Pro colors are also rumored, including a bold coffee finish positioned as a premium signature look. Another major shift is the front design. Face ID is rumored to move fully under the display, allowing Apple to remove the dynamic island. The front camera is expected to remain at 18 megapixels, but with an improved sensor and optics for better video and low-light performance, resulting in a cleaner and more minimal screen layout. Leaks outline clear differences across models. iPhone 18 Pro is expected to feature a 6.3-inch display, while Pro Max grows to 6.9 inches. Both may include 12 GB RAM, the A20 Pro chip, and Apple's C2 modem. The iPhone Ultra could go further with a larger display, higher battery density, titanium build, and exclusive features above Pro Max. Which model would you choose?